you stuck?
Yeah.
Well, why'd you climb up there then?
They don't know to climb down if you're stuck.
Why don't you just climb up further? You know, you could get me a lot of money on YouTube if you fail. You can do it. Get down. You're a genius, see? I know you'd figure it out. Hi. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do now? Meow? That's what you're gonna do? Why don't you just climb back up again? That'll help. Ev, I think she's hoping for you. You're doing a good job. Doing a great job up there. Oh.
Hi.
Gray one's just been chilling. He's like, I've been waiting for you too.
You done? Here, why don't I just climb up there? That'll be much more fun.
They're like, this is what we wanted.
Hi.
Ah,
Hello?
this is a fun game. She can get down from there.
Can you get down from here? Not really.
She's like, yes, this is so much easier. The gray one's like, hey, I'm still up here.
Are you still up in the tree?
Oh, don't knock me down.
Not very steady here. Hold on.
He reaches for you.
Hi.
You gonna help me too?
This tree is harder to climb, isn't it? Hold on.